Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to continue with our CSV library. And the module that we're going to look at today is called Reader. But before we get started, if you're new here, I want to make sure that you are subscribing and clicking that notification bell, because what we do here is we do small little videos and break them up, make them searchable, and then put them all together in a longer video. So we don't want you missing anything. We don't want you feeling overwhelmed. We just take it one thing at a time. So all right, last video we learned how to pull down from the internet how a CSV file, and it's just a comma separated value, and that's just a fancy way to say how it the information is broken up. And Microsoft Excel is exceptional at that. Well, Python has a library to help you with that, and the method reader, we're gonna work with that today. So all right, let's just look at, well, let's just pull up CSV. Let's look at it for a second. So we are going to pull down Reader. So all right, let's do help on Reader. CSV.reader. So all right, this is the one I just love. It tells you right here how to use it. And let's look right there, and it returns here terms that we are learning about. So if you are new and you do not know what an iterable is or an iterator, stop here, go and check those out and come back. So all right, these are very, very important features. So all right, what we did last time is we saved what we did is we pulled down. Well, also, if you didn't watch last video, go and watch that, come back, and you'll get caught up. It's a real quick video. So all right, and we ran help on this. So all right, and we know how to open up files. We're going to make our content manager, and the name of our file was company.csv. And we're just going to read this because we're going to be working with Reader. And we close this out as file. And then let's see where we are. And then Reader, CSV.reader. And then we just feed in the iterable, the file. All right. Excuse me. So, all right, let's look at Reader. Now, this is important. All right. But, this is what I wanted to do. Okay. So, I pointed out that it was going to be an iterator, and if you do not know what iterator is, super important, go and look at that. But for those of you who are caught up, next, this is what we're going to do. So I'm going to show you two ways to do this because we know about our next function. Now, this file is very large and it takes a minute to run, so I'm going to run this for I in range 10, just so we can see it. And wow, next print next I. So, all right, let's do this. Oops, hang on. Oh, this needs to be Reader. There we go. So all right, this is our file to remind you what this was, this is how much stuff it was, but to remind you what it was, let's pull it up. Company, it was a list. Let's change this. There we go. So it was a list of all the symbols and the companies on the New York Stock Exchange. So the first column was its symbol, its name, and then last sales, but we don't care about that right now. So let's zoom back in and let's shut that down. So now this is all the same information: symbol, name, last sale, and so on and so forth. So let's bring this back over here. So that was one way to do it. But the other way to get the whole list to come out, and I'm going to shorten this. Just realized I didn't shrink this over here. Okay, so we can do this because like it showed us right here. So we have our reader, our iterable. Then I created this, and this is how I can go through and through. So all right, for row in reader, each row reader, just like that. Print row. So now I'm going to hit this. It's going to take a minute. I'm going to edit this out. So now that is that, and we will shorten you this, but I wanted to show you this. That was a whole lot of stuff. But now let's think about the information that we want to see, and I want to show you this. So again, I'm going to edit this and shorten it, but check this out. So now here's an abridged information pulled down from our Excel spreadsheet, and that is the symbol and that is the company name. And our next video that we're going to do is it's going to be how to write to one. And guess what? It's going to be, we're going to change that to W, and this has a writer method. So all right, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and most important, that notification bell, because I don't want you missing any of these videos. And please leave any comments, questions, or my absolute all-time favorite, any video requests below, and I will get right to them. But I can't tell you thank you enough for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.